Right, what I've been up to today. So, shelves all the way across. There'll be tubs going in the tops. Over here, shelf and somewhere where we can put on plants. Bags of soil underneath. So it's at a nice height. And in the greenhouse, so all my hostas I've repotted. These two are grasses. They've been neglected with the move last year, so all fresh compost. And with the weather been outside all the time, now they're coming here, they'll shoot quite quickly, I would have thought. More little ones on the floor. Now the cover's off. All the boys are not being nosy. They've never been fed this side, so it'd be interesting how scared they are. Know my fish, they're spook. Right, I'll start going through boxes from the move. Anything I think look okay in here. Start getting all the animals out. Painting the shelves. Just waiting for a text for the brackets to come in stock. Get them up. What else? Outside hostas, they've been sitting outside all the time. Same as the top ones, these are different varieties. Don't know if you remember, but on a couple of years ago, I did have a nice collection of hostas. I really did like hostas. One thing I will like to build up again. But been buying a lot more plants. But even though they'd be okay out here, because they've been kept inside, bringing them out here now, I think it will shock them. So I'm going to wait for the temperature to get a little bit warmer, so it's not too much of a shock for them. Again, put some things up in here from the other house. In the garden bit, shelves are up. A little high one there as well. Potting on tray. Don't know if I showed you that already. Right, so that's the shelves up. Quite happy with that. Nice and neat, nice and straight. Right, what have I been doing? Right, so net's gone. All the wires up, and the frames. All the aces are up. Show you the greenhouse. This has really come along, this has, and it hasn't even really got any plants in it yet. Things up on the wall. They're canna lilies. Put old coal up. Watching the plants. Just can't wait for the weather to warm up and get all the plants in here. What I've got indoors. Cleaned the glass yesterday, the pond window. The water is so cold. Anyway, thanks for watching this one. Today I'm going to start the filter room. Get some shelves up and stuff in there. So, better get on. Cheers guys.